Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir with powdered starter. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of powdered kefir starter and 4 cups of fresh milk. Make sure your milk is at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal activation. Pour the milk into a clean glass jar. Then, gently sprinkle the entire packet of starter culture evenly over the milk's surface. Do not stir it in just yet. Now it's time for fermentation. Cover your jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth, allowing air to circulate while keeping contaminants out. Let the mixture ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 24 hours. You'll know it's ready when the milk has thickened and developed a pleasant, slightly tangy aroma. The exact time depends on your room temperature. After fermentation, gently stir the kefir to achieve a consistent texture. Then, pour the finished kefir through a fine mesh strainer into a clean container. This step ensures a smooth drink, though some prefer it unstrained. Your fresh, homemade kefir is now ready. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 7 days. Enjoy its creamy texture and tangy flavor. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade kefir. Drink it plain or blend it with your favorite fruits for a nutritious smoothie. For your next batch, you can use a small amount of your finished kefir as a starter. Simply add about 1/4 cup of your current kefir to 4 cups of fresh milk and repeat the fermentation process for 12 to 24 hours. This allows for continuous enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.